Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another fall manicure using some gradients and also some reverse stamping for the leaves. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm going to start applying my base coat. I always repeat the same step in all my videos because it's super important to protect your natural nails. And then I'm going to apply a coat of this light pink shade from Essie to protect my nails from any stains when I'm using pigmented colors. So for the base, I'm going to be using Hello Fall. This is from Potion Polish. I've used this polish before. I will link some videos in the description below when I review this collection, and I'll also leave videos of my other fall nail art. For the other fingers, I'll be using Heartside. This is also part of the Potion Polish fall collection, and this is a beautiful shade. It has a lot of copper and golden shimmer along with these flakies with all the fall colors, so it's super pretty. Then I'll be applying liquid latex. As you know, I always try to protect my skin because in these two fingers I'm going to be doing gradients, and gradients are always messy and complicated, so I would recommend you use that. Then I'll be using a sponge, and what I do is to use it slightly wet just to make sure that I don't have any piece of the sponges coming out and sticking to my nail. So I'm gonna do an horizontal gradient, so I will use 3 colors. In this case, I'm gonna start with the lightest one, the one that I used previously on my other finger as a base color. Then I will add this green. This is Full Charge from Holo Taco. And at the end, I'm gonna add Everything Pumpkin from Potion Polish. So I will have these 3 colors that represent fall for me. I just find that it's so beautiful, this combination. And as you saw, I applied twice the polish to the sponge before applying to my nail, just because the first coat always gets super absorbed by the sponge. And then you have to tap it on your nails, just trying to blend these colors together and wait until it's dry to apply a second coat. I always use 2 to 3 coats just to reach full opacity. In this case, these colors were pretty opaque, so I only used 2 coats. And when I'm finished, I'm gonna remove the liquid latex. This has almost no cleanup to do, so it's super good to use this product. And I'm gonna apply a coat of the Fast Dry top coat so the colors can come in together and they're super shiny now. For the stamping, I'll be using WhatsApp Nails B044 with these leaves. As you see, the stamping has only the outline, so I'll be filling in the leaves with some color. I'm also be using Maniology Straight Up Black as my main color for the outline and the Ice Cube Stamper, and please use my code TINY10 for 10% discount on Maniology products. I use that commission to get new products to show you on my channel, so I will appreciate your support. And here I'm stamping the leaves, and you can remove with a piece of Scotch tape all the parts that you're not gonna use. And then it's the fun part, at least for me. So I'll use a dotting tool and start painting those leaves. So I'm gonna use the same 3 colors that I used for the gradients, and I'm gonna start filling in these leaves. This process is super easy and it's kind of therapeutic for me. You know, I love painting this stuff, and I did 3 because in this hand I'm using 3 nails with the same design. And now I'm gonna apply a coat of the Orly Bonder because my nails are already dry, so I need something sticky to stamp my designs. And I'll wait around 30 to 40 seconds before stamping. That's very important because otherwise it's gonna be wet and you can just ruin the design that you have on your stamper. So here it is. It's not complicated at all. This design is not so big either, so the cleanup that you have to do is minimal. And I'm gonna use this tool. This is the other side of the cuticle pusher, just to cut those little leaves that were left outside the nail. And I'm just gonna grab them with some tweezers, and I did some minimal cleanup in some areas with this brush. Then I'm gonna apply Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. This is a must-have. I always use it when I'm stamping with black because if you smudge it, it can really ruin your design. So I prefer always to use that. And as the last step, just applying a Fast Dry top coat just to make sure that my nails are shiny and protected. And here's the final result. I ended up doing my both hands. I really love this result and the colors of this manicure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!